The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development has applied for Geographical Indication Registration of Nyishi handlooms, which are produced in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. GI registration will give a unique identity to the Nyishi handloom products of the state, which are being produced by different self-help groups. Now let us see what is a GI tag. Putting in simple words, a geographical indication, or in short GI, is a sign used on products that have a specific geographical origin and possess qualities or a reputation that are due to that origin. There is a clear link between the product and its original place of production. Geographical indication can also be considered as a protection against violation of copyright and patent issues. The GI tag is given by the Geographical Indication Registry under the Department of Industry, Promotion and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. For what type of products can geographical indication be used? Geographical indications are typically used for agriculture products, foodstuffs, wine and spirit drinks, handicrafts and industrial products. What rights does a geographical indication provide? A geographical indication right enables those persons who have the right to use the indication to prevent its use by a third party whose product does not conform to the applicable standards. For example, the Darjeeling geographical indication is protected produced of Darjeeling tea can exclude use of the term Darjeeling for tea not grown in their tea gardens. However, a protected geographical indication does not enable the holder to prevent someone from making a product using the same technique as those set out in the standards for that indication. Protection for a geographical indication is usually obtained by acquiring a right over the sign that constitutes the indication. Now let us see GI tags in India. According to Department of Industries and Internal Trade, there are about 420 GI tags in India. The geographical indication came into force from September 15, 2003. In 2004-2005, the Darjeeling tea was given the first GI tag in India. Regulatory body of GI tags. The rules and regulations of GI tag are governed by the World Trade Organization's Agreement on Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights at international level. Geographical indication is a component of intellectual property rights under the Paris Convention held for the protection of industrial property. In India, the Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999 came into force with effect from September 2003, under which the GI registration is administered. That's all in today's session. See you soon.